How are you doing? I hope you're doing good. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In case you're new here, hi, my name is Claire, and today I'll be showing you how to prepare delicious rice and chicken. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. So without much further ado, let's get started. For our rice and chicken recipe, we are going to need our rice. I will show you how I cooked my rice. We'll also need some chicken breast. This is pre-cooked chicken breast. I will also show you how I cooked them. We'll need some onions and 1 clove of garlic. We'll also need 2 tomatoes. We'll also need some dhania, some cooking oil. And for our spices, we are going to need 1 Royco cube, some salt to taste, garlic powder, cumin powder, coriander powder, garam masala, Royco mchuzi mix, and this is tomato paste. So let us get started. So guys, our rice and chicken is finally ready. It didn't take long to prepare and I surely do recommend this recipe. I hope you enjoyed. Subscribe down below if you haven't. Give this video a big thumbs up and share to your friends and family. I hope you enjoyed. I hope I'll see you next time. Bye guys.